name is Sudhir Raju. So today my seminar is about common health problems along with health organizations. So as you know, we are in India. It is one of the most populous country in the world, along with land area. So first we will know about common health problems in India. India consists of many diseases because of the lack of there are more population, right? So the communicable diseases can be spread easily to everyone. So mainly there are borne diseases. What are borne diseases? Let us know. Borne diseases are divided into many. First one, airborne diseases, waterborne diseases, then foodborne, and even insect-borne diseases. So first of all, we will run step by step. Airborne disease. Airborne diseases are bacteria or viruses that are most commonly transmitted through small respiratory droplets. So when a person is suffering with airborne diseases, when he coughs, and even sneezes, the person who is suffering from airborne diseases can be easily transmitted to another person. So next, waterborne diseases. Waterborne diseases can be occur when consuming contaminated water and even beverages also. So next, foodborne disease. Even this is also by consuming contaminated food. This foodborne disease can be occur, and the symptoms like nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea, and even fever. So next, insect-borne diseases are also known as vector-borne diseases also. Diseases are illness that arise from insect bite. By the insect bite, these diseases can be occur. So next, health organizations. Across the world, there are many health organizations, but there are two main organizations. Those are Red Cross. First, let us know. Red Cross is a voluntary health organization which was founded in 1863 by the Swiss businessman Henry Dunant. It is an international agency. So actually, if you go to the history of Red Cross, when Henry Dunant is traveling on the business work, he on the war of Slovenia. At the time, there were many soldiers who had died. He felt so bad, so he started to start an agency that is called Red Cross, and it is opposite flag of Switzerland flag. It is look like this, with red background with white cross, and this agency's flag with red cross along with the white background. So next organization, World Health Organization, which is known as WHO. It is known for it. World Health Organization is a specialized agency of the UNO. UNO is nothing but United Nations Organization. It was founded in 1984 and its headquarters at Geneva, which is in Switzerland. There are 194 member states who are joined with WHO. WHO has six regional offices in the world, across the world, including one in New Delhi, which is in India. So both Red Cross and WHO agencies headquarters are in the Geneva. So that's it. Thank you.